COVID-19 pandemic has brought several activities to a halt, but it has not been able to stop Jeet Milan Roach, a hardworking activist of the National Environment Care Foundation, from fulfilling his commitments to the environment by planting hundreds of trees. Jeet Milan Roach, who has planted thousands of plants across Dakshina Kannada, is now all set to turn surroundings of the Pachanadi dumping yard green with different species of trees.
My name is Jeet and I've been planting since 2004. This year I'm concentrating on the dumping yard. It's the most infamous dumping yard of Mangalore. So around 350 tons of waste comes to this place. But here we are trying to create a buffer zone around the dumping yard so that we can avoid the foul smell going from this area. So we are concentrating more on fruit bearing and medicinal plants which can actually help the birds and the animals, and we are also planting a type of Miyawaki system, a close by plant which can actually help the plant in to conserve water. It will also help that to grow into a thick forest. It will also help the birds and the animals in a forest type feeling for them. We are planting around 73 different varieties of plants, medicinal, flowering, fruit bearing, which can help even the birds and the animals. It has been given by the forest department and as well as from the smart city, and that comes to me for free of cost. They don't charge for me. I like to plant in places where humans don't like to go. Might be a cemetery or a dumping yard where we have no trouble from anyone. So I like to plant in such places. I avoid planting on the roadside. We have I get a lot of help from the volunteers, especially the youth, my son and their friends. I also have my friends joining me. It was a team of around 8 to 9 people, but now because of the increasing number of COVID-19, now we are just 5 of us left. But we are not giving up on our target. At the end, we have to plant at least 8,000 this year. There is a lockdown in the city or the entire Karnataka, but me and my team is very strong. We are facing a lot of challenges though, but we have not given up on our planting. But it's a great feeling that when everybody is locked down at home and we are planting, that's a great feeling.
Under the Smart City project, as many as 10,000 plants, including jackfruit, mango, sandalwood, were sanctioned to Mangaluru city. Most of the plants were given to Jeet Milan Roach, who is now planting them in the Pachanadi dumping yard. Jeet has earned fame because of his unconditional love towards planting trees. He keeps planting plants all the 365 days of the year and then gets involved with taking care of them with support of his family.